Hey up, you alright there? Walker's Sensations 5-pack Thai sweet chilli. Potato crisps 5 times 225 gram. £1 65 pence. They're in date from Sainsbury's these. Let's get them wrapped up in a packet. Try it quite often. There's the old nitrogen levels and the old ingredients. Look at all that. I've done a review on Lidls. Take of these. They're £1.49. £1.49. Lidl, 150 gram. We're going to do a taste test similarity here. I'm going to start with the old Walker's. Big brand, big expense. Date is correct. Well, not much date on it, is there? Let's have a snippy. Now, I'll tell you what, I'm knocking my head off. It gets worse though. It gets worse. Just look at the size on bag for what's in it. Eh? You know what we're going to do? We're going to open that bag up. Not very strong fire smell. Open this little Walker's. Just look at this here. Just look at that. Eh? Couldn't even make a sandwich out of that. There's hardly any there. Tell you what we'll do. Let's get them sensations. Productions out. From Lidl there. Same thing. It's their knockoff. Lidl. Now look at these here. In case you haven't seen another video. There's the old ingredients. There's your nitrogen. As it said Lidl right there. Let's open this one. Let's have a look here. The same weight. Same weight per bag. Except you get 6, don't you? 6 Lidls and 5 Walkers. It's a big bag that. Big bag that. There they are. Whatever. Hang on. These are little ones, aren't right? Clearly they're much bigger crisps from Walker's. Better looking colour and all there. You can see colour on little ones. And I've already tasted them. I haven't tasted, obviously, the Walker's one. By them I had the other day. We all know what's wrong with them. Here we go. Let's put them side by side there. Which one's thicker? Very similar. Very similar size, width. Let's try the taste here. Right, that's correct. That. Ooh. That chilli comes straight in there. Nice sweet chilli right in straight away. Enjoy. Have an handful here. Good taste. Nice sweet chilli at Walker's. Nice crispy crunch. There's a bit of oil getting through, just a bit. I don't like my oil on my crisps. A bit of oil in through. I'd say about 10%. Yeah, nice. A bit salty, you know. A bit salty these. But there's a nice chilli sweetness there. I'll finish them off. Nice sweet chilli. About 10% oil in them, what you can taste. Nice crispy crisp. Now I've already done the old review on Lidl ones on another video, but we'll do them side by side here. Had a quick drink here. Right. And what's the differential? Yeah. The little ones are a lot drier crisp. I'm not getting much oil at all here, if any. No oil here. No oil in little ones. 10% on Walker's one. About the same depth on size there. Different colour. They look like I've got more cup and flavouring on little one. But if I remember right, and the old little video review on these crisps, they were lacking on flavour, and it's same again. I've just had these Walker's ones. They're not as sweet and chillified as the Walker's one, but they haven't got as much oil in as the Walker's. 10% oil. I'm not getting any oil here. Nice crispy crisp. Drier than Walker's. Walker's have got about 10% oil in. Keep reiterating. But the flavour is not as good as the Walker's. Now these are £1.65 for 5 bags of 25 gram. And the old Lidl Selections one, £1.49 for 6 25 gram bags. Now impressed with these. No oil in them at all. But they are lacking on flavour. Now I've had Walker's one at side there. As long as you have Walker's, that sweet chilli there, straight in, a lovely nice sweet chilli flavour in there. Of course, they have got the chilli flavour in these, but it's not as pronounced as Walker's. But I already knew that. I've done a video. But I was impressed with these because of the lack of oil in them. Nice, light, crisp, crunchy, crisp. But they're not as flavoursome as Walker's. So, tried them there. I've never had these before. Had these other week, done a video on them. They were lacking in flavour, but they had no oil in them at all. Lovely crunchy crisp on. I've just tried Walker's. No doubt about it. As soon as you have one of them, that sweet chilli straight in there, no messing about here. There's a nice flavour to Walker's. So all in all, you're only talking pennies at these prices, and 1 bag less. I'd go for Walker's. That lovely sweet chilli flavour is really nice there. Really comes into its own. It's not as strong on the Lidl one, but they're lovely and dry, crispy crisps. These have got about 10% oil in flavour. So they're a little bit less crispy crisp, but the flavour is a lot better than the Selections. So in all, I'd go for Walker's. Cheerio there.